Bitcoin money cost really equivalent to $131.42 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, 128.00 131.85, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 128.79, which generally is very critical. The change generally was plus 2.63, plus 2.04%, or so they for the most part thought. Opposite rate, USD to BCH, showing that today's exchange cost range, 128.00 131.85, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a significant manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $128, especially greatest 137, truly least 119, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, April 17, cost $129, essentially greatest 138, genuinely least 120, which is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $132, sort of most extreme 141, lovely least 123, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $134, exceptionally most extreme 143, especially least 125, or so they fundamentally thought. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $133, in every way that really matters. Greatest 142, exceptionally least 124 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $131, kind of most extreme 140, by and large least 122 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $130, in every practical sense, greatest 139, truly least 121, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost $130, genuinely greatest 139, essentially least 121, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $134, most extreme 143, kind of least 125 in an exceptionally significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $134, lovely greatest 143, especially least 125, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $131, certainly greatest 140, all things considered, least 122 in every practical sense, huge way. Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 1, cost $133, genuinely most extreme 142, sort of least 124, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $136, genuinely most extreme 146, genuinely least 126, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $134, certainly most extreme 143, least 125 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $137, exceptionally most extreme 147, kind of least 127 in a significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, May 5, cost $138, most extreme 148, kind of least 128, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $133, truly most extreme 142, essentially least 124 in a significant way. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $133, for the most part greatest 142, truly least 124, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $134, kind of greatest 143, extremely least 125, which all things considered, is very huge. In about a month Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $129, kind of greatest 138, kind of least 120. So Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $134, exceptionally most extreme 143, genuinely least 125 in a significant way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $132, genuinely most extreme 141, certainly least 123 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $124, especially greatest 133, really least 115, or so they generally thought. USD to BCH swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.7609 coins per $100 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 0.7584-0.7813, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby 0.7765 in an exceptionally significant way. Change for now 0.0156, 2.01% in an especially enormous way. USD to BCH cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which truly is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 0.781 coins, truly greatest 0.840, essentially least 0.730, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to BCH forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.775 coins, most extreme 0.833, truly least 0.725, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.758 coins, lovely greatest 0.813, least 0.709 in an unobtrusive way. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.746 coins, especially greatest 0.800, certainly least 0.699, which really is genuinely huge. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.752 coins, essentially greatest 0.806, extremely least 0.704 in an unobtrusive way. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 0.763 coins, essentially most extreme 0.820, sort of least 0.714. Exceptionally further appearance how Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $134, genuinely greatest 143, kind of least 125 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 0.769 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.826, especially least 0.719 in an unpretentious way. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.769 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.826, really least 0.719, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.746 coins, extremely greatest 0.800, all things considered, least 0.699 in a sort of enormous way. In about 14 days USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.746 coins, especially greatest 0.800, beautiful least 0.699, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 0.763 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.820, truly least 0.714, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $134, truly greatest 143, kind of least 100.